Okay everyone, opening up your activity bags and lay everything out on the table in front of you. Parents, please make sure you are here to supervise your children during this activity, as the beads can be a choking hazard. This activity is open-ended for your child to explore their creative and imaginative skills. There are endless ideas for this activity. Let's look at the first one. I just made a bracelet. Let's see what else we can make. I made a keyring. You can grab your mum or dad's keys and make your keyring like mine. Look at the pretty design I made for my purse. You can grab your mum's purse or even your school backpack and design it using the beads and get very creative. You can also use your beads to sort them out by their color or shape. You can categorize them out in front of you, just like this. I've got dark pink, black, and cream. Another activity you can do is counting. Why not sort out your beads and count how many beads you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 beads. How many do you have?